Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and तमाम social media नाज़रीन, आप सबको मेरी तरफ से अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू. In this video, we are going to tell you about conduction of morning assembly. So today we have Aleena Mustafa who is going to tell you about conduction of morning assembly.
Covers up, hands down. Fold your arm, join your feet, look down, stand easy. To have happy days, make a fresh start every morning. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
My name is Aleena Mustafa. I read in class 6. Today I will conduct the morning assembly. All of us going to be happy, God had heard, His help listen to you. With this beautiful saying, now I would like to call sign for station of Holy Quran. So please fold your arm and bow down your heads. If you pray for other with a sincere heart, then you will not need to pray by Hazrat Ali. Now I would like to call Rabel for prayer and dua. Now I would like to call Manu for question and message of the day. Now stand straight for the national anthem. Sing it loudly, proudly and with full respect. Thank you. Have a nice day. Attention.